Alright, we're about to tear down the porch. It's been there since 2008.
Wait! Can I sit up there?
Where?
That.
I don't know what you're sitting on. You want to sit on it when I'm pulling it down.
Yeah.
Wait, which pigs are you pulling out exactly? Wait. Yeah, we definitely tear this down. Let's tear apart.
Move!
Yeah! Yeah! Oh, what the heck? There! Yeah! Tear it!
Wait!
I'm going to kick the dog in the face.
Done.
Alright, carry it over to the fire pit.
We did like all this in like 5 minutes. Great! Now we don't have a goal!
This is the goal.
This is actually pretty cool. This is cooler now.
Yeah, it looks nicer.
You know how like there's bases that made it look like, now it looks like a cool base. Can we keep this up?
We'll just keep, like, put a net in there for the whole goal.
No, I don't want to take this down. This
I'm
is
not
pretty
taking
cool.
it down.
Ever?
Well, it might fall down eventually, but it's been up for 8 years.
Just try to put screws in this, because I like it like this. I don't like that.
Okay.
Because with that, it just looks like a weird house. This, it looks like one of those army bases you see.
Can I go up in it? Let's go up in it.
I thought you guys carry the stuff to the fire pit.
First, we need to do some more smashing.
Now it's like a base. There's only one thing to climb up on. Now this is type my. This is my.
Now this is real smashing. Look at that. I think it sounds good. Wait.
Who cares about those things? Take that off and put a ladder, okay? Can we try to take this thing off?
Why?
Put a ladder on.
I don't have a ladder.
See?
Oh,
Oh, yay!
Does this support it?
kind of. Annalise, lay down.
No, wait, I'm gonna start coming up, okay?
No, go lay down. Baby girl, where are you?
Tell you!
Where are you?
Tell you!
Okay, pop up.
No!
Come on, I'm filming you.
This is a car crossing, and as you can see, my dad just cut our grass. Yeah. And this is all that's left. Pretty big. So me and my friend, well, my brother and his one friend, are gonna play hide and go seek.